I just farted
You just farted.
in the jeepney.
Ew.
Hey, how's it going? I'm in Davao, the Philippines, and today I'm going to the Bine Museum and downtown and check out that area. Let's see how it is. Bone Museum.
It's #1 in TripAdvisor.
That's #1 in TripAdvisor, even though that's a load of crap. Which direction is it?
You have to Google it.
Okay, let's find a museum. So this must be the heart of Davao. This is, you got Philippine flag. We got town hall. So that's City Hall right there in the center of Davao. So what's this thing, this eagle thing? The bird represents Davao, does it?
Yeah.
What's that there?
Where? It's a church.
Church?
Yeah.
Dude, so that's St. Pedro Cathedral in Davao. Sorry. And what's this thing? Monument of Peace and Unity.
It's dedicated to the people of Davao.
Osmena Park. Still heading to the Bone Museum. See, I'm taking my girlfriend to the museum because she doesn't even know where it is. It's down here. It must be down here somewhere.
So where is it?
Down here on the right somewhere. The Bone Museum. That might be
The
it.
bone collector, yeah, that's it.
Aha! Finally. So yeah, that was really good, that museum. Very informative. Dinosaurs, the sperm whales caught here in Mindanao. Insects, scorpions, spiders, horses. I thoroughly recommend. I've always liked taxidermy. You know, when they stuff the animals and preserve them. I love this part of town. So that was it. We finished at the Bone Museum.